Hello friends. This video is brought to you by mywayteaching.com.
So far you have been mainly studying the equality of sides and angles of a triangle. Sometimes we do not come across equal objects. So we need to study unequal objects and compare them. So let us now examine whether there is any relation between the unequal sides and unequal angles of a triangle. Let us perform the following activity. Fix 2 points on the drawing board, say point B and point C, and tie a thread to mark the side BC. Now mark any point A on the board and join AB and AC. So we got a triangle ABC. Now shift and mark another point A dash on CA beyond A. So we have A dash on CA but beyond A. Now join A dash to B. So we have another triangle A dash BC. Now in these two triangles, clearly we can see that A dash C is greater than AC. Now measure the length of angle A dash BC. Use a D from your geometry box and also measure angle ABC. You will find that angle A dash BC is greater than angle ABC. That would mean that if length of side AC is increased, the angle opposite to that side also increases, and hence we come to the conclusion, if two sides of a triangle are unequal, the angle opposite to longer side is greater. We can prove this theorem by constructing a triangle whose all sides are of different lengths and measure the sides and the angles, and we will be able to observe that the side opposite to the greater angle will be greater, or in other words we can also say that angle opposite to the longer side will be greater. Let us perform another activity. Draw a line segment AB with A as center. Mark an arc with A as center and any radius. Draw an arc and mark different points P, Q and R on it. Now join each point with A and B. Observe that as we move from P to R, what is happening to angle A? Clearly, angle A is becoming larger and larger, and what is happening to the length of the opposite side? it is also getting bigger and bigger. So we have angle PAB is less than angle QAB, which is even less than RAB, and also PB is less than QB, which is less than RB. So we come to the conclusion, in any triangle, the side opposite to the larger angle is longer. And this is also a theorem, as it can be proved by drawing any triangle with all angles unequal to each other and measuring the length of the side opposite to the greatest angle. Now, using the previous two theorems, we can prove another theorem which states that the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So let us consider triangle ABC. According to the theorem, we need to prove that BA plus AC has to be greater than the third side, that is BC. So let us start with the proof. For the proof, let us produce the line BA and mark a point D such that AD is equal to AC. So AD equal to AC by construction. And now let us join CD. Then clearly we can see that angle BCD is greater than angle BDC. And by the previous theorem we know that in any triangle, the side opposite to larger angle is longer. That would imply that the side BD which is opposite to angle BCD will be longer than BC which is opposite to angle BDC, but BD can be written as BA plus AD. It is greater than BC. Let us substitute AD equal to AC in this inequality. So we have BA plus AC should be greater than BC, and hence we have reached the required proof, and we have proved our theorem right, that the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side.